Assalamualaikum and hello to all winners. I'm NURUL final year student, Bachelor of Automotive in Penchalam. And now I will begin my presentation with title Systematic Review on Telerehabilitation for Visual Impairment. So telerehabilitation is alternative rehabilitation for those with obstacle, but to obtain the typical rehabilitation in term to for them to adapt to the condition and improve their quality of life and psychological burden. So this objective is to evaluate and compare the effect and benefit of telerehabilitation for visual impairment, specifically for feasibility, accessibility and acceptability, and last is the effect of cyber sickness following the telerehabilitation. So the methodology is following the PRISMA guidelines being shown here, and the result 3 RCT study were included in this study, which is 2 experiment and 1 protocol. So for this discussion, we highlight 5 points has been discussed in this study. Firstly, increased accessibility, where majority of them is being exposed to the digital device without them even knowing. So majority of them have their own desktop with camera built in or addition camera in front of them. In addition, high accessibility of visual impairment patient, as this intervention can eliminate the transportation barrier to go to the rehabilitation center. And then increase acceptability, the majority of them were satisfied with this intervention, as this intervention can improve their communication, increase their connection where the communication is directly, and then also provide the psychological support based on the experience of the others and information of the disease. So majority of them were interested to use this telerehabilitation in the future. And then improve their quality of life based on the psychological impact of assistive device scale that being used in this previous study, which shows that the quality of the improved in terms of self-esteem, adaptability, and competence for both experiment and control group. So all participants were certified and with the use of the intervention, which is same with the typical rehabilitation. Next is improve visual functioning. Previous study used the veteran of fellow visual functioning question 48 to measure the visual functioning in terms of 4 domains, which is visual functioning, reading, mobility, and also the visual motor, which is show that the both control experiment group improve their visual functioning. Same with the typical telerehabilitation. Lastly is cyber sickness, which may a result of motion graphic on the screen. Previous study measured the 3 categories, which is the orientation from the stimulated sickness, motion sickness, and oculomotor difficulty, where there's no effect cyber sickness score result consistent overall assessment with no significant difference. So in conclusion, we hope this telerehabilitation can widely used for visual impairment to improve their quality of life and resolve their visual burden. I hope the future study will eliminate the limitation for the current study by using a large number of participants. That's all from me. Thank you.